Welcome again, guys. Today we'll be talking about your car headlights and why they fade over time. Most car headlights are made of acrylic plastic. They are made that way because it's cheap to produce, but over time they become hazy or faded because the clear coat to protect them from UV light wears out over time. This opaque layer dims the beam coming from your headlight. But never fear, I do have a solution. There's a lot of headlight restoration kit in the market. I choose this Meguiar headlight restoration kit. It has a good reviews. Let's see how this one performs. Is it a buy or is it a pass? Stay tuned. You are watching Sensitech Master channel. Alright, before we start, the Meguiar's headlight restoration kit includes the following: Plastic X polish, headlight coating, 1 wool pad, 2 finishing disc, 1 sanding pad, and 1 foam applicator pad. You also need the following: green tape or painter's tape, a water bottle with a soapy water inside or just a plain water, Armor All glass cleaner, or just a rug, moisted rug, and a drill. These are the items you need to do the job. So let's get started. DJ Beaver, music please.
Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day, but now we're out here together with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Like electricity. Taking over your body, it's flowing through your mind. This feeling's got me on fire. Don't ever leave it all behind. Can you feel the attraction?